And we are not going to be intimidated by anybody. We are here by right, and we have stood here in our own volition that we are not going to State House. There is no amount of intimidation that is going to make us change.
Ensemo ya MCA kuruwase county ya Kisii besokire kugikiria igitambukiro kia bamwabo bakiete ase sabaria yo kumutarira umurayi wense Dr. William Ruto alia sensemo ya Nairobi State House.
Ntwe nturanga kogenda State House lakini bali bakiete na baragwo neganga yabo. Lakini ntwa twatigara unit yo Mugusii na ntwe ntotageti totebenga Mugusii totigare magega.
As we speak, nothing has been implemented. We are here more than 30 MCAs who have stood firm and said enough is enough about the lies of His Excellency the President, and for us he is one town.
Kurengana barabo igetambukire kyo tikiabwa tengenjende yonsi gose obuyabonde bwensi gokia somo gusia se okinia magenderero.
Ndebono nche onkumeti wae totalinge kurangiria omo president yo Ruto ache gusiga iga state roach na intutogendo muna abachore be chi wodi mbalimbali ya 45 na nominated na into atumiro muna kogenda chi county chinde
aji at the State House because my mind is very clear that yabandomba agenda State House bagakwana igoro yo Mugusii biri bakwanete tigatobiganye no Mugusii tora gosenga kore kadabire.
Kurengana n'abarayabo nigo umurayi bwense akurwa amagendero amaikiranu ase kinsemo kiria aba MCA batarakora ogutaragukia State House bwabaria bagokia kumutarira kinsemo muna baria bakurwa sensemo ya Homa Bay.
Yusi mwe guna agenda siaya akarujibe zitanga na beza na lengo mapei akarujibe zitanga na beza amagendera ya nende togotebigwa ingaba MCA tokigosaba narali
abagere abere bakanyora amagendero bogera matega batari kogenda State Lodge inki kiagera into tokubetele gutenda State Lodge to maiko wa magendera togosaba amagendera acha atokonye unaba Kenya bila gutenda State House
nigo batebire muna Gusii entundeye nigo bagokia kumusira oyo kabeire umwazi yo mukoro bw'oburendi Dr. Fred Matiang'I asokogenda kwabo State House asabirwe mbachi kunyara ko bagotutukanirwa kurwase gange iyo
kungu ba Gusii na intu twahabyariro omwana oyi twamoiriri ateire nabagaka bakabwiye bicyurya ekero bara twanyorira omwana omoisia omwana oyo itabirukanye ngimokoro ku Fred okengo Matiang'I
na inche munante neina na intunto bwate heri yaito ekoro kwa Fred okengo Matiang'I mwanya getinga 20p tobu muwatisie.
We are rallying behind Fred Okengo Matiang'I as the president of this country come 2027.
Yes.
And that is our position as a community. Yes. And nobody is going to intimidate us.
Wamentire gotewa buna ebunge ya county ya Kisii nebwate budget yabo ewenderete kurigererirwa na komenterwa ebirengo bya magendera konyara kubaga kurwase chi ward ao tariyo gocha gosaba kibese kurwase nsemo ya State House.
As we speak, we do have money that is still within the CRF account of Kisii County, and it has not been fully utilized. So we stand here to defend the workers that have worked, and pending bills are still pending. Many people are dying of hunger in this county, yet money is in our CRF account. So we demand that after the governor is done with demanding for additional development, may he come back and pay pending bills.
Nakwo okomusana kwa gisiasa kwenekiwe kobao asorgongo rwa Gusii na muno igoro yo kumusira oyo mobo ensemo na abande kumusira umurayi wense koribotegetemba Marieta Nenje Gilbert Kobi.